Get the kitten. We just found a kitten. Y'all see the kitten? It's so cute. Oh, try to zoom in again. Yeah, guys, we got a kitten, and the mama kitten is underneath our house. Yeah. So yeah. Zoom in. Zoom in. I'll zoom in. It is zooming. Oh my gosh. It's looking at its mom like, come over here. It's been a long time since we see our kittens because they left. Wait a minute. It's not our kittens. Yeah. It's just kittens who came to our yard. Yeah. They came last night. I didn't even know. But they came last night, and now they're still here till this morning. No, they didn't come last night. They came this morning. You guys see? Look, you guys. As y'all see, the like fur color is like an orange color and a white. It's very beautiful. Oh, she's leaving. Oh, she's leaving, you guys. Look, look. Oh my god. That was so cute. Anyways, yeah, that's the cat, the little kitten. I hope it come back out. But anyways, I'm back inside. I'm in my room right now. So yeah, but that was a very cute kitten. But yeah. But like and comment if you want another cat or kitten video. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget, I can send you guys pictures of the kitten. I will post pictures for you guys to look at the kitten. Yeah, but the kittens are so cute. I want to hold it, but I don't think it knows me, so it do not know me at all. So that's why we fed it, so it can, as it stays, it'll get to know us, and maybe I'll get to pet the baby kitten. I will show y'all another video or picture about the mama kitten. Bye bye.